Hello everyone, welcome to Emobi channel. iOS 17 is released. Are you heading to update? But some users are meeting a problem like this. Software update interface says unable to check for update. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone or iPad won't update to iOS 17. Let's get it. Tip 1. Reset network settings. Back to General and tap on Transfer or Reset button. Tap on Reset and choose to reset network settings. Enter your iPhone password to confirm again. Step 2. Open your iPhone and go to Settings. Switch to a stable network if possible. Then a pop-up will ask you to allow settings to use data. Choose to allow WLAN and cellular. After that, you can return to software update and check for update again. If it still says unable to update, you can also try next tip. Tip 2. Update iPhone using iTunes. Launch iTunes on your computer, then plug your device in. Once your device is detected, iTunes will pop up a window with Update or Check for Update. Click on Update button and agree the policies. Your iPhone will get in the updating process. However, if the iTunes can't check for updating to iOS 17 neither, you can also try Tip 3. Tip 3. Fix Enable Update to iOS 17 with AnyFix. First, download and open AnyFix on your computer. Choose Upgrade iOS feature. Click the Start Now button. Choose the iOS 17 version that you want to update. And download the system firmware. Then click the Upgrade button. AnyFix will let your iPhone enter recovery mode. After that, your device will be in upgrading process. Please wait patiently and don't unplug your cable. Now the upgrade is completed. Your device will restart app perform data recovery and then please set up it. Now on the iPhone About page, you can see the software version is now updated to iOS 17. You can enjoy all the iOS 17 new features now. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any questions.